In this video, I'll show you how to create a GitHub organization. First, open your web browser and go to GitHub. Sign into your GitHub account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, click your profile picture in the top right corner of the page to open the account menu. Next, select Your Organizations from the drop-down menu. If you don't already belong to an organization, you may see a page explaining organizations and their benefits. Look for the button that says New Organization and click it. After that, GitHub will ask you to choose a plan for your organization. Select the plan that best fits your needs. For most users, the free plan is a good place to start. Click Continue to move to the next step. Now, enter the details for your new organization. You'll need to choose an organization name. This name will be part of the organization's GitHub URL, so choose something that represents your team, company, project, or community. GitHub will check whether the name is available. If the name is already taken, try a different variation until you find one that is available. Next, enter a contact email address for the organization. This email will be used for notifications and organization-related communication. Once you've entered the required information, click Next or Create Organization, depending on the version of the page you're using. Once the organization is created, GitHub may ask if you want to invite members. You can enter the usernames or email addresses of team members you want to add. If you're not ready to add anyone yet, you can skip this step and do it later. Now that your organization has been created, you'll be taken to the organization's main dashboard. From here, you can create repositories, manage members, set permissions, create teams, and configure organization settings. If you want to create a new repository inside the organization, click the New Repository button from the organization's page. Enter a repository name, choose whether it should be public or private, and then click Create Repository. After that, you can manage access by clicking the People or Team sections in the organization settings. This allows you to control who can view, edit, or administer repositories within the organization. Finally, review your organization settings to customize security options, profile information, member roles, and repository defaults. This helps keep your projects organized and makes collaboration easier for everyone involved. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a GitHub organization. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.